Dry plums, Aloo Bukhara, or prunes, can offer several benefits for individuals with diabetes. Here are some ways in which diabetic patients can incorporate dry plums into their diet. Controlled portion sizes. Dry plums are relatively high in natural sugars and calories, so it's important for diabetic patients to consume them in controlled portion sizes. Typically, 2-3 prunes can be considered as one serving. Managing portion sizes helps prevent a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Snack option. Dry plums can be a healthy snack option for diabetic patients. They provide a natural sweetness while also offering dietary fiber, which can help promote satiety and regulate blood sugar levels. Carry a small portion of prunes as a convenient and nutritious snack on the go. Add to meals. Dry plums can be added to various meals to enhance both flavor and nutritional content. They can be chopped and sprinkled on top of oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Additionally, they can be used in recipes for baked goods, stews, or sauces to add a touch of sweetness and moisture. Pair with protein or healthy fats. To help manage blood sugar levels and prevent sharp spikes, it's beneficial to pair dry plums with a source of protein or healthy fats. For example, you can enjoy prunes with a handful of nuts or incorporate them into a salad with grilled chicken or avocado. Combining macronutrients helps slow down the absorption of glucose and provides a more balanced hydration. Dry plums have a natural laxative effect, so it's essential to stay well hydrated when consuming them. Ensure you drink enough water throughout the day to prevent any potential digestive discomfort. It's crucial for diabetic patients to monitor their blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on incorporating dry plums into their diabetic meal plan. They can provide guidance on portion sizes, timing, and overall meal composition to best fit individual needs and manage blood sugar effectively. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.